Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Flex over here with an interesting video. So if you're new to my channel, I'm called Flex, a very passionate guy who is into animal farming at my backyard. And at my backyard I have some pigs, rabbits and a young cow which I rear at my backyard. So if you're also interested in farming, and I know you do so, I encourage you to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification to get notified whenever I drop awesome videos like this one. So the piglets that you are seeing on the screen are my 90 days old piglets that I have at my backyard. I made a video on crossing the saw when I went to take a ball from someone to cross it, and after the crossing I weren't able to make a video when it gave birth and all those stuff. But in this video I just wanted to show you guys how the crossing went. So the sow gave birth and it was quite interesting. It gave birth to 12 piglets. Yeah, so the day it gave birth I went home. So when I came home, some were weak, so some died. So after all, I have 8 piglets alive, so 7 females and 1 male. So now these little piglets are growing very well. They are now 90 days old, and as you can see, they are eating pawpaw leaves, and these pawpaw leaves are very good for them. It serves as a dewormer. It's a natural dewormer for them, so it deworms if there is any worms in their system. These pawpaw leaves kills the worms. So right now my sow has given birth 3 times since it started giving birth, and these piglets are the third batch. For the second batch I sowed them because I weren't ready to cater for them, but for these piglets I've decided to keep them for breeding. So I'm keeping these piglets, I'm feeding them till they reach their crossing stage, then I cross them because I want to increase the number of pigs that I have. So as I have said earlier, I have 8 piglets. 7 of them are females and 1 of them is a male. So in pig farming, inbreeding is a factor that you must consider. In order to get a good animals, you have to avoid inbreeding. And what is inbreeding? Inbreeding is producing animals with closely related animals. So for example, my piglet right now, I can't use the male I have to cross the females I have. It will cause inbreeding because they are closely related, they are siblings. So what I did is that I went to a different farm and I sent my male to collect a different male. So I did a swap. So I sent a male to a different farm, then we changed the male. So right now I have a different male which is not related with my female, so I can use it for crossing. And the reason being is that I want to get a male right now so that they will all grow together. So by the time these females reach their crossing stage, I will be having my personal ball which I will use for crossing. Right now I'm investing in these pigs. I'm not selling them right now, so I'll continue feeding them until they reach their crossing stage, and then I'll cross all of the 7 piglets. And after crossing, When they give birth, then I'll also take care of their piglet and feed them till they reach a certain weight that I want. Then I'll sell all of them. So I'm also crossing the sow. Yeah, this piglet mother, I'm also crossing it. So this piglet will be growing. So they are now 3 months. So I've crossed the sow, and the gestation period for pigs are 3 months, 3 weeks, and 3 days. So by the time their mother will be preparing to give birth, they too will be preparing to be crossed. Yeah, so that's how things are going on at my farm. So let me hear from you at the comment section. Let me know the type of animal you have at your farm or your backyard, or even if you are a crop farmer, let me know the type of crop or crops you have at your farm or your backyard. Let's interact at the comment section. And if this video was interesting, you can give a like to this video and also share this video to anyone who may be interested in this kind of video. And also subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed, and become part of this amazing family. So guys, till we meet again, stay blessed. Peace.